What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Camaro build. Today's episode, I'm going to be showing you why I don't really drive this thing. So let's jump right in. Alright guys, I'm in the car. Got the keys. Let's see if this thing will start up. Alright, so the car is running. And let's see if we got any lights here. Looks like we got some headlights, but I am not seeing any other lights coming up on the dash. I'm not sure why. So there's some other lights on the dash, but these main lights here, I'm not getting anything out of them. So let's see what we can do, and I think I got a plan. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna have to take off this whole dash so we can get behind this instrument cluster here to get to the light bulbs. And for the new bulbs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in LEDs to modernize it up a little bit. So let's see how that goes. Okay, and for this kick panel here, we have two screws here and here, and then there's going to be two bolts on the bottom. So let's get those out. Okay, next thing you're going to want to do is take out the stereo trim bolts. They are located here, 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 and then there's two here, but as you can see, mine's already been taken out. Okay, next thing we have to do is get to these two bolts that are underneath this dash. And lucky for me, my dash has this cool feature that you can just take it apart really easily. Just like this.
Nice.
Okay, now that we have the dash pad all off, we have 3 more bolts to go till we can pull this dash off. We have this one, and this final one right here. Now that all the bolts are out, we should be able to slide this dash out. Okay, so now that this big piece is out of the way, now I'm going to show you the 4 bolts you need to unscrew to get the gauge cluster out. Alright, and just like that, there it is. It's all out of the car. Now we're going to work on taking this apart. Okay, next thing that we're going to have to do is flip this around. And we're going to have to take out 7 of these T15 torque screws. Alright. Okay, now we are going to start taking out these bulbs that we are going to replace. Alright, now that those are all out, we're going to open up the box here. Look at the new LEDs that we got. So we got the bulbs, looking pretty nice. And then the little housings for the bulbs. So let's get... Alright, now that we got all the bulbs into the new sockets, now it's time to get it back into the cluster. Alright guys, so I tried out these new bulbs and I'm not getting any lights out of anything. Not out of the thermostat, not out of the headlight switches, nothing. So that all leads back to the root problem, this wiring harness behind the dash. Taking a look here, and you can see that brown wire there and that orange wire all melted up. It all leads back to fuse box, where we got some stuff going on there too. So what I'm just gonna do is order a new wiring harness for this dash. The thing that sucks is I'm gonna have to take this whole dash off, but if you want it done right, you can do it that way. So let's go ahead and start taking this dash apart.
The next day.
Tomorrow, on the next
next day, and the 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 next day, the next day, and the next day.
Alright, now that everything's put back together and we have lights, there's only one more thing we gotta do. This is gonna look a lot better once the dash pad's in. So here is a comparison of the old one, and here's the new one. So you can tell it's gonna be a big difference. Now that I got it turned around, I'm gonna be using some of this double-sided tape. And just like that, the new dash pad is in, and it's looking really good. Check it out. Definitely looking a lot better than the old one. So that's gonna do it for the end of this episode. And we got the new lights installed in the gauges, and then we got the new dash pad in. And in the next episode, I'm gonna be installing a new radio in my car. So I'll see you on the next video. Hope you guys look forward to it. Peace.